Hadui Kristan ha Assam kidon ha pedeng kejing syak thombor, balai syak hang kinong elam niam ban pin saphyang yakak tin jong blai ban pin kelak Kristan yaki. Kemud ayu kata ke Assam Healing Prevention of Evil Practices Bill arjar pusat. Kulai perlong adi Fernand Rani tentang Forefront Media ban hakani klimat ngini keren hak baidai bakani ke bill kabala dep ban minjur ke kabinet jong Assam hakini knet por bala dep. Hakani kinting ngini keren halor kani ke Healing Prevention of Evil Practices Bill arjar pusat bala minjur daga kin hon menteri jong kajala Assam hak spotrik berempang kata kalong ban khangla dik jimpen kelaniam meki pat kajala Assam. Kerkum kejing ong jong menteri rangba kejala Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma sorkar jong u kekwa menwan ra ikaan bakan khanglat ya kejing penkelaniam iki pa riulum nalor kejing khanglat ban yo palat kawai ne we ulok kani kani ke bil ban khanglat di kinu kinu jing penkhia hak kerteng jong kaniam kumaki ong hak tien pareng kata ka magical healing Himanta ulo ong ba kani kamat kalong kabam ila syania namar babun kiteng la penenkam yaka kum ka atiar ban penkelaniam iki pa riulum ulo ong ba ai bu Muslim unne Muslim, u Kristan unne Kristan, bad u Hindu unne u Hindu. Bad kanum dan kanu ke jing kelaniam yenu inuru bad kani kanwan ra ya ke jing bet ha katarjur.
Assam cabinet has passed a very important legislation in last cabinet prohibiting healing. Healing is a very dicey subject which is used to convert tribal people. So this bill we are going to pilot because we believe that religious status quo is very important. Whoever is Muslim, let them be Muslim. Whoever be Christian, let them be Christian. Whoever is Hindu, let them be Hindu. So that a proper balance can be achieved in our state. So we want to curb evangelism in Assam. So in that direction, the banning of healing, the act which we have passed in the last cabinet will be a very important milestone.
Kejing temu jong sarkar Assam kala penslur iki ken hun babut ikan yam Hindu ban le don bor persya iki skul bagi jaka puli bela penya dagi ken hun yam Kristan. Kawai ken hun bela tip kerteng kum ka kutumba suraksha parishad kala betha iki skul bela penya dagi ken hun yam Kristan ban wengno ya baro kidak kishin ki balongkat kum ke jinget Kristan kum ke dur Jisu baka Mary ki badon haki ying school jongki namar kikam bakini ki de ki atiar ban pen thame ki pajba ban but ya ke jinget jongki kani kenhun kala batharu ya ki phadar ki nong ilam niam ki sister ban brother ban om phong ki jan ki beki jupong man nakasngi haki school ni ki jaka mane ka Assam kadi ka pramarjan jela jongi ban bun nagi Kristan hakate ki jaka ki lapen pawi ki jiso benyau halor kani ki jile don bor Hameghalaya hakabadan shibun ki banget hakan yam Kristan om ju I kot ni yo sngo yakum kini ki jingjia henrei hagi jaka bagi jingbun Kristan kalong tang kumba ar na kasispa kum kini ki jingjia ki jupa perthai na kapor syakapor Assam ka basenchar na kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party ka jingdon jugi Kristan kalong kumba lai penyu pusaw na kasispa Hakbai day bat kini ki jingjia wa Archbishop John Mulachira jongka Guwahati ula kenta ki jing keno bayaki ying school la penkela kum ki jaka mani bat ban penkela Kristan ki khana school ki bapuli hagitu ki school ulong bu song tho ki jing sha berngem bat jing sha thambor jongki Kristan Assam bat ong bakin wat kilat kilinti kat kum ka an banida persya yakini ki jing sha berngem kinong ilam niam ki lai thu ba ki jing thambor persya ki Kristan kala kiu hakini ki snam balalej haki jilla ba senchar ki BJP hakathan chatai lambi Hagawai pakaliang ke sarkar Meghalaya kala kular ban khmi halor ke jing ki bayday bat karaj ka Assam hagbai day bat kanyam hajing kiran ke badang shen menteri rangba ke jela konrad ki sangma uloong bu klempat puli lut yakani ke bil belawan ra dak Assam henrei kentaj halor ke jingmut jongani ke bil badong balada don kinu ki jing ki bakta yaki kinhun niam unsali ra yakani kaman
What you just said that this whole magical thing that has been mentioned about. So I have not read the whole thing in detail. I've got a basic understanding of what's happening. So if there are any concerns that are there that affect any religious group or any organization or any way, the processes that are being followed from a religious point of view, we'll take up the matter.
Hendai kaju ka poru ulaong bakani ke bil belawan rat ka Assam kala banong ka bapher bat ka bam ya day bat kai ka bangi perkhat bat kala bandai Kajung persyang jong sarkar banile persya ki kamthok hakaba ajung sumar ki breu.
The concerns with which the Assam government has brought this up may be something which is completely different. It may be to do with quacks and other people who are bringing in medicine and other things, ways to which are not scientific in nature, and so their objective may be actually something else completely, but it's been construed as something else completely. So therefore, we need to look at all of those factors, and I think commenting just directly on something based on what reports we're getting would not be appropriate at this point in time. But I can only assure that if there are any concerns, major concerns that affect any organization or any religious group or any way, then obviously we as a government would be taking up the matter, we'll discuss the matter and try to resolve these matters.
Hakoi pat kaliang ka khasi jantia Christian Leaders Forum kala penrem yakan ki jingle don bor persya ki jaka puli bla peniat ikin hun Kristan ha Assam badong bla bun snem kini ki jaka puli kila ai yakan jik sakri bopura nak benda ka roi kapar jong ke jela Assam hi boro kawai bat bancu khen do thalai ki menta kalong ka babakla ke jimut beselendet jong sarkar Assam dak bawan ra kini ke bil ngan EFP um griu ba ban pet thu ban bishar hatu di hok mo ban khanglat yinu ban yalap yak tinu blei lani ban lej ban nget yakunu nu ko jat ni ka kan huniam kijing sha berngam besop kijing sha thombor kijing kintho bat jing sha penrem jing Kristan ha Assam kila pelong yu babun balang ban bu jing keli halor jing long lai lu keri India hak bai dei ba jing nget lani kata ka secularism kiso hukum no kila ban agi jimut jong pi hapo jong kani comment section jong ni video ikwa ban yos ngau yakai ka ba pi berkat halor kani ka benta Saya Sian ngadi Fernand Rani, Namdak Forefront Media, Kubishmo.